When setting up a Shopify store, there are a ton of different things to get done on your to-do list. One of those things is editing or swapping out the social media links that come with your Shopify theme. Now, by default, these links will likely point to the Shopify social media accounts or perhaps to the author's accounts, whoever created the theme. My name is Digital Girl, and in this Shopify tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how to edit the Shopify URLs or links in your Shopify store. So if we have a look at the social media icons that are placed in the footer of our website, we can see that they're currently not pointing to our social media accounts. So what we're going to do is head on over to our Shopify admin, so make sure you're signed in. And then in the left-hand side, we're going to click on Online Store underneath Sales Channels. From there, this is going to take us to the Themes section of the admin, where we can click on the green Customize button. As you likely already know, this is where you edit and modify your Shopify store and its settings. And as you can see here, it gives us a bunch of different options when it comes to editing our homepage. Now, while it does give us the option to edit the different content boxes within our footer, it doesn't actually give us the option to edit the social media links. So to do that, we're going to head on down to the very, very bottom of the page, which is Theme Settings. So go ahead and click on Theme Settings in the bottom left. And then from there on the far right, we're going to expand the social media accounts section. So we've got a bunch of different social media accounts here, from Twitter to Facebook, Pinterest, and so on. And as you can see, they're currently pointed to Shopify. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace the URLs here, starting with Twitter. And then I'll go ahead and update Facebook, Instagram. Of course, you go ahead and plug yours in. And then if you want to go ahead and delete one of the current icons, you certainly can do that. So what I'll do is highlight the URL and then simply just delete it. And on the flip side, if you had a social media account that wasn't currently in the footer, you can certainly go and grab the URL from that account and plug it into the correct field. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and grab our Pinterest URL and just plug it into the Pinterest field on the right. All right, so go ahead and just edit the rest of the fields, whichever ones are appropriate for you and the social media accounts that you currently have. And then when you're done, go up to the right-hand corner and hit the green Save button. Now, if we head on back to our website and simply refresh the page, you'll notice that the correct icons are now displaying. And if you click on them, they actually go to our social media accounts now. And there you have it. You now know how to edit the social media links on your Shopify store. I hope that you found the Shopify tutorial helpful. And if you did, please do give it a like and stay tuned for more Shopify tutorials along with e-commerce videos.